Lord, the instant matter stems from a matrimonial dispute. Facts thereof are as such that in 2012, the petitioner and respondent number 4 entered into a wedlock. In 2014, a child was born out of said wedlock. Then in 2016, the respondent number 4, that is husband of the petitioner, got a job in Delhi, and they, along with the child, moved to Delhi, wherein the petitioner experienced cruelty at the hands of her husband as well as her in-laws. Thereafter, soon thereafter, she found out that respondent number 4, her husband, had performed a second marriage without obtaining divorce. Agreed by that fact, she came back to her matrimonial home, where once again cruelty was administered to her. Then she filed on 9/9/2019. She filed a complaint before the Mahila Thana, Jabalpur, against respondents 4 to 6. Under respondent number 4 was booked under 494 and 498A, while respondent 5 and 6 were booked under 498A. Subsequently, she filed an application before the said Mahila Thana, giving certain documents informing them as to the whereabouts of her husband, which included a Google Map screenshot of the place her husband worked, an employee ID, and certain other documents. Now, my lords, with that, with respect to that, if you may be pleased to turn to page number 41.
41, yes.
My lord, on page 47, on page 41, the signatures of the petitioners find mention. Whereas on 51,
नहीं एक सेकंड 41 क्या है?
41 is the
time of dispatch to the court. जी, ये शायद फाइनल रिपोर्ट है क्या ये?
सर ये FIR है सर.
अच्छा, FIR में उनके साइन होगा. चलिए.
Yes sir. Then and it is pertinent to mention here that the date is 23/9/2019.
Right.
Then on page 51, her signatures may be observed for a moment.
नहीं, that is not the job of the court. क्या signatures हैं? आप उसके लिए application लगाइएगा, handwriting expert को बुलाइएगा.
My lord, it is
section.
My lord, it is clear as day.
No, sorry.
In any case, my lord, a dispute herein is that the documents supplied by her were not seized by the police officers. Subsequently, when the final report was filed and RCT regular criminal trial was registered against the respondents, once again she moved an application under section 173 subsection 8. That application is still date pending before the learned trial court.
क्या application है आपकी बताइए?
My lord,
page number.
My lord, page number 52, annexure P4.
Yes, क्या लिखा है इसमें?
My lord, narrating the facts, she has given that application that she had filed before the Mahila cell.
तो फर्जी हस्ताक्षर करके अगर प्रतिवेदन बनाया है तो आप इसके खिलाफ FIR दर्ज कराइए, कंप्लेंट दर्ज कराइए विवेचक के खिलाफ. वो अलग कॉज ऑफ एक्शन है.
All right, my lord. There's still one thing that remains.
Please बताइए.
My lord, so that application has not been decided by the trial court. Also, in the year 2019, the petitioner herein moved an application under section 125 CRPC. The respondent number 4 was purposefully avoiding notices. Hence, the council prayed before the learned family court to get the notices served through the trial court, trying him for 498A and 494.
क्रिमिनल लॉ में प्रावधान नहीं है. वही जाएगा तो वही सम्मन्स जाएंगे, अवेलेबल वारंट जाएगा।
My lord, none of that was being served. In any case, my lord, just one more minute. So once that order was passed by the learned family court, the respondent number 4 stopped appearing before the trial court and has since then not appeared.
In the warrant निकलवाइए।
Warrant has been issued, my lord. That is the whole issue. He is purposefully avoiding the notice by colluding with the police officers.
Non-available warrant निकलवाइए।
Sir, arrest warrant has been issued.
Issued ना?
Yes, sir. Also, my lord, there is another thing on my lord, P7, page number 81.
मिस्टर नवेरिया बैठे हुए हैं ना, ये बताएंगे आपको अरेस्ट वारंट की तामील कैसे कराई जाती है। इनसे मिल लीजिएगा, he will not charge you anything.
My lord, one more submission.
Ask him how arrest warrants are executed in matrimonial cases.
My lord, after this I will surely. My lord, on page 81, it must also be observed that on said
ये
date.
आपकी prayer जो है ना, you are a young counsel. I want to help you.
Yes, sir.
Prayer देखिए आप.
Sir, I am coming to that as well, sir.
आप उसके बाद फिर आगे की बहस करिए.
Sir, on the last date of hearing, the learned.
किस पैरामीटर्स में ये बनती है?
My lord,
आपने मांगा है issue a writ of mandamus to the learned court of judicial magistrate class 1, Jabalpur to direct to decide the pending application under section 173(8). 173(8 की application है आपकी subsequent conduct of the IO in preparing 4 signatures. ठीक है, अब चलिए दूसरा है issue a writ इतना directing it to ensure that respondents 2 and 3 comply with its order directing the presence of respondent number 4.
Yes, my lord.
How can these orders be issued in writ jurisdiction?
My lord, I have been made aware of that and I apologize for the mistake. Henceforth, I have filed an IA bearing IA number 16047 for making amendment in the prayer to the extent that instead of issuing a writ, a direction may be issued, which is the subject matter of Article 227.
You have a remedy provided in the CRPC itself, how to get the orders or warrants affected.
My lord,
उसके लिए सुनिए तो आप, उसके लिए बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, ठीक है। 125 का ऑर्डर हो गया मेंटेनेंस का आपके पक्ष में?
My lord, he has not appeared till date. The family court is not proceeding because he's not appeared.
सर्विस हो गई क्या? सर्विस रिपोर्ट आ गई क्या?
My lord, service report, I'll check.
125 कौसी सिविल कौसी क्रिमिनल है.
Indeed.
फिर?
My lord, I have also, as rightfully pointed out by you, and exhausting those remedy, I have filed applications before the trial court.
You have remedy somewhere else.
My lord, I have.
नहीं, बात सुनिए. You are a young man. I'll not dismiss this petition. इसको रखता हूं मैं. आप अगले हफ्ते पढ़ के आइए अच्छी तरीके से. और उसके बाद में आप खुद बताइएगा कि इनमें से कौन-कौन सा रिलीफ किस-किस प्रोविजन में दिया जा सकता है. I'm granting you extra time to prepare.
Highly obliged.
आपका शुभ नाम बताइए.
कार्तिक जग्गी.